Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I made a passive income source apart from YouTube, using only AI automation. So let's start the video and keep watching till end to get better understanding. So I started it by coming over to Chat GPT and searched for Write Me a Kid Stories book chapter by chapter. And here it generated me a full story book with many chapters in it. Now step 1 is completed here. For step 2, I came over Canva and searched for storybook templates and got so many templates here. And I chose this one template, and now we just have to customize it according to our story, and you can also add elements from here. So just copy the title from Chat GPT and paste here. Just like that, copy all the chapters and keep pasting here. After finish pasting all the chapters, just download the book by clicking on share button located in top right corner and download it in PDF. And after this, just search Amazon Kindle books in Google and open the first link, and now sign up here if you are new. I already have an account here, so I'm just gonna sign in. Now click on create and then create a book. 8. Now fill all the information about your book, like title and author name and summary, for your book. You can also generate your book summary using Chat GPT like I did. So just generate a summary using Chat GPT, copy it and paste it here. After filling all the details of your book, just click on save and continue. After this, upload your manuscript, PDF you downloaded from Canva. And you also need to upload cover for your book. And for cover, I'm going to Canva again, and now download the first page of storybook in JPG format. After downloading, just upload it in Amazon cover page section. After this, just click on save and continue again. Now it will prepare your files and convert it into Kindle format. Now after this, you have to fill the pricing and royalty section. You can fill it accordingly to your book. And after doing these all things, just click on publish your Kindle ebook. Congratulations, your book is successfully published. Enjoy the passive income for lifetime. If you want any help understanding, please do ask your doubts in comments section. And please do consider subscribing our channel and do like the video. And share with your friends and family. See you all in our next video. Thanks for watching. Keep earning.